Yes, my viewers, this is how you check the corn if them ready. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Alright, look on this corn here. You notice the corn here? Alright, look on this one here. You notice what's going on? This one is very dry more because this corn I first one push out. So the corn here tell you that the corn is ready. So but most of the time we just draw away the trash here. Look inside. Look inside, my viewers. Whoa, that is what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, so you don't know. Lock it up back. Yeah? Yeah? I see my viewers. Then can't heat now. Yeah, man, so we test them because we don't want them get extra tough, you know. Yeah. As you can see, them one here young, you know. Yeah, man, I talk one on the farm right now. The little farm here. Need to get it extend, you know. Okra. Seen? Yeah? Real, man. So the thing set, my viewers.